So here we are. Today is January 19th, and for about the third week in a row, we're getting another snow. Around January 3rd, we had a snowstorm that came in, and we got about 4 or 5 inches, and that hung around, melted down to about 2 by around the 10th. Between the 10th and the 12th, we got another 6 or 7 inches, and that hung around, and it had melted down to where we only had less than half of an inch of snow. And here it is, snowing again. They're calling for 4 inches in the lower elevations and 6 inches or higher in the upper elevations here in the Appalachian Mountains. So we'll walk a little bit, talk a little bit. As you see, it's quite cold. It's just started snowing again. It's supposed to do this through tomorrow morning, and we're supposed to get all this snow. So yeah, not looking forward to it, guys. Not looking forward to it at all. Then the temperatures are supposed to drop. It's supposed to be 20 degrees at midnight tonight. Get down to about 12 by noon tomorrow. And then it's supposed to be, I think they said, close to 0 tomorrow night. And the cold weather's really bitterly cold weather is supposed to be with us through Thursday. So, yep, another week, another snowy cold winter storm approaching, third in a row. So, if you're in this region, try to bundle up and stay warm. And I'll check back in with y'all next week. I'm going to go home and make some chili. Y'all have a good week. Stay safe. Bye-bye. And here's the chili I was talking about on the trail. Last night I had a pie pumpkin in my pantry, a sweet potato, and an acorn squash, and I just peeled that up and put it in the crock pot. And I had a quart-size freezer bag full of some leftover chicken and 7-bean chili. I stuck that in it. And then we also had a couple of hot dogs, some onions and chili left over, like, hamburger type chili from the other night. So I just diced up the weenies and tossed that in there too. So here's our chili. I guess if I had some macaroni, I could toss it in there and it'd be what they called Hoover stew. But I love chili and soups in the fall and winter because it's a great way to clean out your refrigerator and make sure nothing goes to waste. It's pretty low cost. And this is the bread we'll be having with the chili. I had a leftover jalapeno in the refrigerator that had seen better days, so I chopped it up in an onion, added a can of cream of corn, and a couple of cups of self-rising cornmeal, a couple of eggs, some milk, and made this, I call it a Tex-Mex cornbread.